Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model for gold miners. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently down 40 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We were at overbought on the RSI, however, it's since reversed this morning and we are resting along the 50 moving average, this yellow line. If we expand out further onto the 4 hour chart, we did bounce right along the 200 moving average that dated back to, say, August 25th, and we continued to bounce along the 18 moving average, this purple line. We see slight signs of a divergence on the 4-hour MACD, and we have not hit overbought on the RSI yet. If we expand out onto the daily chart, what we have here is we did bounce right along the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and we start to see a convergence on the daily MACD. And we have not reached to overbought on the daily RSI yet. And we also see a convergence on the 9 onto the 18, the blue and purple lines respectively. So at the moment we continue to see higher lows, and at the moment we are encountering slight resistance. There is a slight downtrend, so as long as we do close above this trend line, this downward slope, the uptrend is still intact. So for the trade idea of the week, my position size for my long will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry will be $55.30. That is this range right here, where we tested previous support that dated back to August 11th as well as August 25th. So the sell target will be $63.30, and my stop loss will be $52.45. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $65.08. That is that range where we encountered previous resistance that dated back to August 5th. And my sell target will be $58.41, and my stop loss will be $67. So for the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 45% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 8%, and on the extreme case to the upside, 18% chance for it to climb between 8% to 16%. And to the downside, we have a 36% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 8%. Again, these models are available in the link below. And if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.